Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm pretty much about to explain some ways to do geometry. Because geometry is pretty easy if you do it the right way. Okay, so anyway. So what we're going to be doing is first off finding out areas of certain shapes. So what we're going to do is let's just write down formula. A, which is area, equals length times width. So, say you had or wanted to find an area of this right here. And let's say each side is worth 10 because it's a square, so each sides are going to be even. Well, that means this is the width and this is the length. So you multiply both 10 and 10 and you get 100. So that means A equals 100, which is the area. So that's just the basic. Now here's another one, which this is just finding missing degrees of angles where you have to write degrees down on a certain shape. So I'm going to try my best to draw like a 45-degree angle here. That's too sharp of an angle. That's the best 45 angle degree I could do, so. See, this right here. Sorry, my nose is annoying. This right here is 90 degrees down here because this is kind of an L shape like this. 90-degree angles are usually like that. So, that's 90 degrees. So, let's say that this side is 180. And this side is also 180. Well, if we're using degrees, we're going to have to figure this one out right here, which, to be a surprise, it's also 180. So, yeah, that's the best that I could explain that for. So, basically, we could say 540 degrees also equals 45 degrees somehow. Gosh, my nose is really annoying me, bruh. So, let's do something different. Let's say we had to find the missing number here. So, let's just write this down as 25. And this is like 20. What would this be down here? And stands for number, a missing number. So, to beat the scale, if this is equal to 20, this flipped over would be about that. So to scale, this will probably, I can just write that extra bit down to get it to scale. And then kind of mark this out because that's a little bit excess. Come on. Okay. So, now that it's to scale again, for trying to find the difference between this being 20. Well, let's just mark this as the midpoint. Put it a little more accurately. This is be 10, and this would be 0. So if that's 10, in between 10 and 20, whoops, come on, would be 15 right here. And this, if we can draw this to scale, would be to about right here. So, if we can count from in between 10 to 15, let's say this is 11, 12, 13, 14, and then, wow, 15. So this is equal to 14. So n equals 14. So those are just some basics of geometry. I will be maybe making another video more about geometry later on. But that's all I have to explain now. So peace.